The battle for control of U.S. steel has taken a dramatic turn. Cleveland-Cliffs, a rival steelmaker, has thrown its hat into the ring. They've submitted a bid to acquire the struggling giant. This move comes after U.S. Steel tentatively accepted a buyout offer from Nippon Steel, a Japanese conglomerate, back in 2023. Cleveland-Cliffs CEO Lourenco Goncalves is framing his bid as an all-American solution. He promises to keep jobs in the U.S. and maintain the legacy of U.S. Steel. This new bid throws a wrench into the already complicated situation. The Biden administration had been scrutinizing the Nippon deal. National security concerns were raised. The Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, or CFIUS, was tasked with reviewing the potential risks. However, they were unable to reach a consensus. Despite this, Biden decided to block the deal. This move surprised many. It signaled the administration's commitment to protecting American industries, even at the risk of upsetting international partners. Now, with Cleveland-Cliffs entering the fray, the future of U.S. Steel is even more uncertain. The stakes are incredibly high. The outcome of this battle will have ripple effects throughout the American economy. The steel industry is a critical part of U.S. manufacturing and infrastructure. Any decision made will have lasting consequences for workers, businesses, and national security. The battle over U.S. Steel has become a political football. Both Democrats and Republicans have strong opinions. This issue highlights the deep divisions in America's approach to globalization and economic nationalism. The Biden administration, while generally supportive of free trade, has shown a willingness to intervene in deals that it deems a threat to national security or American jobs. However, the administration's handling of the Nippon deal has faced criticism. Some argue that the move was protectionist and sent the wrong message to international investors. The incoming Trump administration adds another layer of complexity. Trump has been a vocal critic of the Nippon deal. He views it as a threat to American jobs and sovereignty. Trump has vowed to unwind many of the Biden administration's policies. This includes potentially reversing the decision on the Nippon deal. The political uncertainty is only adding to the anxiety surrounding the future of U.S. Steel. Investors are wary, businesses are hesitant to make long-term plans, and workers are left wondering about the security of their jobs. The debate over U.S. Steel shines a light on the complex trade-offs facing the United States. On one hand, foreign investment can be a lifeline for struggling industries. It can bring much-needed capital, technology, and expertise. This can help revitalize companies and create jobs. On the other hand, there are legitimate concerns about national security. The steel industry is considered strategically important. It plays a vital role in defense manufacturing and critical infrastructure. Allowing a foreign entity to control a major U.S. steelmaker could pose risks, especially in times of geopolitical tension. Then there's the impact on jobs. While foreign investment can lead to job creation, it can also lead to job losses. Companies may choose to relocate operations overseas to lower costs. This could devastate communities that rely on those jobs. The situation with U.S. Steel presents no easy answers. It requires a delicate balancing act. Policymakers must weigh the potential economic benefits against the risks to national security and American workers. The fate of U.S. Steel remains uncertain. The Cleveland-Cliffs bid has injected new life into the company, but it also adds another layer of complexity to an already messy situation. The incoming Trump administration will play a decisive role in determining the outcome. Their decision will have major ramifications for the steel industry and the U.S. economy as a whole. If the Nippon deal is ultimately approved, it would signal a willingness to prioritize foreign investment, even in strategically important industries. This could lead to more foreign acquisitions of U.S. companies in the future. However, it could also come with conditions. The government could impose strict regulations to protect national security and ensure job security for American workers. If the Cleveland-Cliffs bid is successful, it would be a victory for those who favor keeping American companies under American control. This could boost morale in the domestic steel industry and signal a renewed focus on manufacturing in the U.S. However, it remains to be seen if Cleveland-Cliffs can successfully integrate U.S. Steel and compete on a global stage. Whatever the outcome, the battle over U.S. Steel serves as a stark reminder of the challenges facing the American economy in an increasingly interconnected world.